Hello, voice is audible. Voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So, uh, good afternoon to all students. As this is our first lecture of our subject, that is nothing but the power system one. Okay. I think you have gone through all your syllabus. Okay. You have started with all lecture except my lecture. Okay. Is it correct? सगळ्यांचे लेक्चर झालेले आहेत ना, फक्त पॉवर सिस्टीमचं राहिले, बरोबर आहे का? All student.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, just whenever I am asking you the question, any question, no, just within one word, yes or no. That's in that two word only you have to just reply. Okay. Simple question I am asking, not difficult question. Okay. So you have gone through our syllabus, that is nothing but the second year first semester syllabus. You will find some mathematical subject which is important as far as your what we can say third year and final year basics are concerned. Like in this semester at the time of start or the first subject which is foremost important, that is engineering mathematics 3. Okay, I think that lecture also you have I think sir has taken that lecture also. Then you are having the subject of our pure electrical background subject, which are nothing but the power system. In this semester, we are going to study the first part of the power system. That's why the subject name is given as the power system first. Okay. Then again, you are having another our pure electrical engineering core subject, that is nothing but the electrical machines first. Okay, why it is called first? Because this now the second part you are going to study into the next semester. That's why the name power system first and electrical machines first. Okay, then another important subject that you are going to study as far as our electrical engineering is concerned, that is electrical measurement and instrumentation. How to measure different electrical quantities with the help of different instruments, that you are going to study in this subject, that is electrical measurement and instrumentation. After that, you are having another subject which is having the correlation in between the electrical and electronics engineering, which is nothing but the electronics devices and circuits. Okay, as you are dealing with the what we can say some of the electronics part also, so that's why this subject has been introduced into the syllabus, that is nothing but the electronic devices and circuits. Okay, these five subjects are there in the syllabus. Apart from it, the one of the important subject which is required for the preparation for the placement, as well as in order to face the different companies, the one of the important subject that is introduced into your syllabus, that is nothing but the object oriented programming, that is nothing but the C++. Okay, as you have studied some basics of C language into the diploma, now as far as this what we can say placement point of view, the university introduced this subject, that is nothing but the C++ into our syllabus, and that is you are having in this semester. Okay, so this this six subject comprises your whole semester. Apart from it, we are having the subject, means for this subject you are having examination. Apart from it, in order to improve your overall what we can say for your overall development, we are studying the another two important subject, which are nothing but the aptitude, which is required at the time of placement. Okay, aptitude. And after that we are studying CIP, communication improvement program, which you need at the time of placement. Okay, so we are starting or we are looking forward to the placement from your second year onwards. आपण सेकंड इयर पासूनच तुमची जी काय प्लेसमेंटची तयारी आहे त्या तयारी आपण सेकंड इयर पासूनच चालू करते. त्याच्यामुळे दोन एक्स्ट्रा सब्जेक्ट आपण तुमच्या सिलेबस मध्ये एक्स्ट्रा ऍड केलेले आहेत, जे की आपल्याला प्लेसमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. दीज आर नथिंग बट दी कम्युनिकेशन इम्प्रूव्हमेंट प्रोग्राम, विच आर नथिंग बट दी CIP and the aptitude, which is the first round for every company. प्रत्येक कंपनीचा पहिला राउंड हा ऍप्टिट्यूड टेस्टच असतो. ओके, सो such a type of, or what we can say, such a type of structure is there for your second year semester first. Okay, now in this, for our subject, as per as our subject, we are dealing with the subject which is nothing but the power system first. Okay, now see, as this subject comprises into the first semester, its name is given as power system first. Then next, into the next semester you are going to study the second part, that is nothing but the power system second. And whenever you are going to enter into the third year first semester, that time you are going to study the third part of this particular subject, that is nothing but the power system 3. Okay, means imagine how much depth is there for this subject. म्हणजे जर 3 सेमिस्टरला हे टोटल पॉवर सिस्टीम सब्जेक्ट असेल तर तुम्ही इमॅजिन करू शकता की त्या सब्जेक्टची डेप्थ काय आहे. ओके, so that's why this power system subject is very core and very important subject of our electrical engineering. Okay, so before starting, just a minute. Sorry. See, I think many of students have joined. At the time of lecture, starting of the lecture, I will tell you, sir has given some what we can say specific format for your name. Okay, many of students finding that they have not renamed their name. बरोबर आहे का? सरांनी तुम्हाला ग्रुपमध्ये एक स्पेसिफिक असा फॉर्मॅट दिला होता की तुम्ही त्या फॉर्मॅट प्रमाणे तुमचं झूम अकाउंटचं नेम रिनेम करा. बरोबर आहे का? सुनील, रोल नंबर 34, वेदर माय व्हॉइस इज ऑडिबल टू यू? माझा आवाज येते का?
हा सर, येतोय.
हा, आता काय करायचं बघा, काय काय जणांची चूक काय झालेली आहे, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही झूमच्या अकाउंट मध्ये जाता, तिथे सेटिंग करता, तिथे तुमचं रिनेम असं येतं, तुम्ही तिथं डॅश नाही टाकायचं. पहा, डॅश आणि अंडरस्कोर मध्ये फरक आहे. अंडरस्कोर पण तुम्हाला काय म्हणतो त्याला, तुमच्या त्या ह्याच्यावर दिसेल, कुठं, तुमच्या मोबाईलच्या स्क्रीन लॉकवर, आणि डॅश पण दिसेल. त्यामुळं अंडरस्कोर टाका, डॅश करू नका. तसं जर केलं तर काय होतंय, तुमचं नाव हे एकदम वरच्या साईडला जाते ऍज पर युअर रोल नंबर. ऍज पर युअर रोल नंबर युअर नेम शुड बी ऍज इन युअर पोझिशन. म्हणजे तुमचा रोल नंबर किती, आता सपोज 34 असला तर आता तुम्ही नंबर नेम चुकीचं केल्यामुळे ते कुठे चाललंय, तुमचं नेम वर चाललंय. त्यामुळे नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला सगळ्यांनी जॉईन करताना एवढी काळजी घ्यायची आहे की सरांनी जो फॉर्मॅट दिलेला आहे त्या फॉर्मॅट मध्येच तुम्ही तुमचं नेम रिनेम करायचं आहे. एव्हरीबडी इज गोइंग टू टेक केअर दॅट. नाउ some of the students are having the roll number like 0 what we can say 4 5 6. They what you have to do, they have to write 01 02 03 04 like they want to write. Don't write just a 2 3 4 5, don't write it, just write it as the 01 so that we will understand your roll number is 4 5 whatever it may be, or you will get arranged serially. Okay, so this first thing that you have to take care. Another part, before some time ago on in our group, that is SYB group, sir, your CC, that is Sawan sir, posted one of the Google form. Okay, one of the Google forms sir posted there. You have to fill that Google form, and whenever you are going to fill that Google form, you need to take care that the whatever the information provided by you, that is absolutely correct, because we have to send that information to the university. So you take care that whatever the information you are entering into that Google form, that should be absolutely correct. There should not be any mistake while filling that Google form. Okay, you have to fill that Google form before tomorrow 12 AM. लक्षात ठेवा सगळ्यांनी, काय करायचं आपल्याला, सरांनी जो गुगल फॉर्म दिलेला आहे तो बिफोर टुमॉरो 12 AM तुम्हाला फिल करायचा आहे. ओके, सो as I am dealing with this subject, that is nothing but the power system one, it's my responsibility, or I can say it is the responsibility on my shoulder, is that I will introduce myself. Okay, and then I will go with the forward direction. So first of all, I will introduce myself. Okay, so myself, as many of students know, what I can say, they are having some personal touch with me, they know me at the time of admission, but then also I will introduce myself Dharmaraj Defray. I completed my graduation in the stream of electrical engineering. Then I completed my master's degree, that is MTech, in the stream of integrated power system. And as my specialization is in the power system, that's why I am dealing with you the subject that is nothing but the power system. Okay, the graduation and the post graduation. Then I am having nearly 7 years of experience in the teaching field. Okay, since last 4 to 5 years, I am working in our organization. I was since from starting of our department, that is electrical engineering, from 1819. I am working as an assistant professor in our Suarez College of Engineering, Pandharpur, in the electrical department. Okay, before that, I have worked in the another institute for 4 years, 3.5 years as an assistant professor. And then I have joined here as soon as our department started in the 1819. Okay, so areas, as far as the areas of interest are concerned, as my post graduation is in the field of power system, areas of interest are related to that one, that is nothing but the power system, renewable energy, and smart grid. Okay, renewable energy and smart grid, these are nothing but the what we can say recent trends in the power system now. Many of the research are going on these two fields, that is nothing but the renewable energy and smart grid. And the facts, okay, facts, flexible AC current transmission system, or some you can say fact devices are there, okay, which is required to improve the power quality of the our power system, whole power system structure. whenever you are going entered into the final year, in the final year you are going to study this subject, that is nothing but the facts. Okay, so as far as my different subjects are concerned, which subject I have taught, like all power system I have taught power system 1, 2, 3. Then I have also deal in the previous semester, I have also deal with the subject electrical machine design. Then whenever I was working in the previous institute, I have taught control system to the ENTC student also. Then since last 5 years or last 5 to 6 years, for the first year student, I am dealing with this subject, that is basic electrical and electronic subject. And as far as some management subjects are concerned, I have also deal with the previous, now whatever the students which are there into the final year, I have dealt with the managerial economics subject also. This is managerial economics, this is the what we can say some management level subject is there. Obviously whenever you will enter into the third year, you will also going to learn this subject, that is managerial economics. Okay, so this is my official email id. I'm requesting everybody to note down this email id, that is nothing but the C D D Daphale DAPHALE @coe.sweri.ac.in. This is my official email ID. You can note down in your notebook and make sure that whenever you are what we can say listening, or whenever you are sitting for the lecture of power system work, you should have at least 100 pages notebook with you, so that you can understand what we have studied and what we want to study. Okay, and at last my official contact number, that is 9767515023. This is also my WhatsApp number. So if you are having any doubt, obviously you are, it is free, or it is what we can say, you are having freedom to ask me related that doubt to me on this WhatsApp number. But whenever you are messaging me on the WhatsApp, just make sure that that message are related to, or some relevant message are there which will be related to our field only. आपल्या field related ते message असले पाहिजे. And whenever you are messaging something, make sure that you should put your name, your roll number there, so that I can understand what I can say, who is talking there. Just by unknown number, don't message me. Okay, so this is the my basic introduction of the teacher. And as far as the what we can say, your CC is concerned, your class coordinator is what we can say, as Savan sir also told you, Savan sir is your class coordinator. And as far as proctor teachers or mentors are concerned, I am handling the first batch, and Savan sir handling the second batch. I think you are having 38 strength in our class. So one roll number 1 to 19 I am handling, and roll number 20 to 38 Savan sir handling. Okay, so roll related to our subject. Okay, whatever doubt you are having, you are going to ask to me. And related to all other things, roll number 1 to 19 they can directly ask me. Okay, means you are having, if you are going to absent for 1 or 2 days due to some what we can say family reason and all these things. Okay, so that time you can convey to me also, I will convey to your CC. And see, you have observed the timetable. In our timetable we have mentioned in the what we can say Tuesday you are having the offline session, but below that we have mentioned one proctor session. Okay, means for that proctor session, for my batch roll number 1 to 19, you have to join with me for a half an hour or more than 30 to 35 minute mentor session. And remaining student, they have to join with the Savan sir, Professor Savan sir, for the mentor or proctor session. This activity we are going to continue till the end of this semester. First batch with me and second batch with the Savan sir. Okay, now see, as far as our subject is concerned, very simple subjects is there. But before, whenever we are going to start the any subject, or what we can say any part related to the academics, the academics is somewhat related to the our department, and our department is something related to the our institute. So it's our moral responsibility to each and every student is that we should know the vision and mission of our department and college. Okay, आपण जे काय शिकतो ते काय आहे, वी आर लर्निंग दिस एज अकॅडमिक्स. त्यामुळे आपल्याला आपल्या कॉलेजचं व्हिजन आणि मिशन माहित असणं गरजेचं आहे. ओके, हे सगळ्यांना बऱ्यापैकी माहितच असायला पाहिजे. व्हॉट इज द व्हिजन अँड मिशन, वेदर इट इज विजिबल टू एव्हरीवन, vision and mission of the institute and department? Whether it is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the left hand column, they have given the vision of and mission of institute, and in the right hand column, it is related to our department. Okay. So what is the vision of our institute? The vision of our institute is the to be recognized among the best institute in the India for the excellence in the technical education. Okay, this is the vision of our institute. What? Best institute in India for the excellence in technical education. But as far as our department is concerned, so what is our department vision? Our department vision is in line with the vision of institute. What is that? To be nationally recognized for the excellence in the education powered with the research in the field of electrical engineering. Institute काय म्हणते, आम्हाला रेकॉग्नाइज करायचं आहे टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनच्या बेस्ट इन्स्टिट्यूट साठी. पण डिपार्टमेंट काय म्हणते, सेम वी हॅव टू डू, बट वी हॅव टू कन्सर्व ओनली इन द फील्ड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग. That's why the name is given as vision of the institute and vision of the department. Can anybody knows what is the what we can say Marathi meaning of vision? माहिती आहे का कुणाला? विजन म्हणजे काय? सिंपल विजन काय म्हणतो आपण? विजन दृष्टी. ओके, what we are going to see or which is our final aim to become, this is nothing but the vision. Okay, then mission. आता ह्याचं तर बऱ्यापैकी लोकांना माहित असेल विजन आणि मिशन काय. मिशनचं तर मिनिंग माहिती आहे का सगळ्यांना? whether everybody knows it? बघा, मिशन आपण म्हणत नाही का, बघा मी एका मिशनवर चाललोय. जर तुम्ही म्हणजे जर आर्मी मध्ये जर बघत असाल तर ते काय म्हणतात, वी कॅन से इट एज दी ओके. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट? ज्यावेळेस ते विजन आणि मिशन म्हणतायत तर बघा मिशन काय म्हणतायत, टू इम्पार्ट व्हॅल्यू ऍडेड टेक्निकल एज्युकेशन थ्रू दी ambience of academic excellence, research and life skill by inculcating personal touch and respect in relationship among the stakeholders. ओके, आपल्याला टेक्निकल एज्युकेशन करायचंय पण कशा थ्रू? विथ दी अकॅडमिक एक्सलन्स. त्याच्यानंतर काय पाहिजे? रिसर्च पाहिजे, लाईफ स्किल पाहिजे. पण हे कशाने अचीव्ह होणार आहे? हाऊ वी आर गोइंग टू गेट अचीव्ह विथ? बाय इनकल्केटिंग पर्सनल टच अँड रिस्पेक्ट इन रिलेशनशिप अमंग दी स्टेकहोल्डर. Then same related to our department. What is our mission? Same, it is in line with the mission of our institute, that is to impart a value added technical education through promoting research, innovation and entrepreneurship by emphasizing on the culture of respect, social awareness among the stakeholder. Same, somewhat same inclination is there in the mission and vision of our institute and department. आणि कायम लक्षात राहू द्या, डिपार्टमेंटचं व्हिजन मिशन हे कायम इन्स्टिट्यूटला इन्क्लाइनच असलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे त्याच्या काय म्हणतो त्याला संलग्नितच असलं पाहिजे. म्हणजे असं नाही की डिपार्टमेंटचं व्हिजन वेगळं आहे, इन्स्टिट्यूटचं व्हिजन वेगळं आहे, डिपार्टमेंटचं मिशन वेगळं आहे आणि इन्स्टिट्यूटचं मिशन वेगळं आहे. इट शुड नॉट बी लाईक दॅट. अँड ॲज अ स्टुडंट्स or as a what we can say एक विद्यार्थी म्हणून तुमची काय जबाबदारी, इन्स्टिट्यूटचं विजन मिशन तुम्हाला कंटिन्युअसली माहीतच पाहिजे. ओके, त्यामुळे तुम्ही एखाद्या संस्थेत शिकता आणि तिचं विजन काय मिशन काय किंवा तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटचं विजन काय मिशन काय हे जर तुम्हाला माहित नसेल, then it will become a very difficult task for you. So at least some sentence you should remind, that is vision and mission of the department. हे दोन तरी तुम्हाला कमीत कमी लक्षात ठेवणं गरजेचं आहे की कॉलेजचं विजन काय, कॉलेजचं मिशन काय, डिपार्टमेंटचं विजन काय आणि डिपार्टमेंटचं मिशन काय आहे. that these two things you need to keep in your mind. Okay, see, आता काही काही जे स्टुडंट आहेत, सम स्टुडंट्स आर देअर, they are new to our means what we can say, they are new in this environment. All students are new in this environment, but some students are there, they are from the different background. Okay, so some words are there, they are new, or we can say they are not familiar with that word. Okay, as in the field of electrical engineering. Okay, like this one, powered with the research. So what, don't worry about that, this is our initial phase. जसं जसं आपण पुढे जाणार आहोत तसं तुम्ही या वर्डला फॅमिलियर होत जाचाल. असं काही नाहीये की काय म्हणतो त्याला, हे कुठलं तर डिफिकल्ट टास्क आहे आणि समजत नाही. आणि तुम्हाला हे पण लक्षात ठेवा, तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये कोणीही विजन मिशन डिपार्टमेंटचं विचारणार नाही. त्यामुळे असं करून घेऊ नका की जरी विजन मिशन लक्षात राहत नसेल तरी टेन्शन घेऊ नका. काय कोण तुम्हाला असं विचारणार नाहीये एक्झामला की राईट डाऊन दी विजन अँड मिशन ऑफ युअर इन्स्टिट्यूट अँड डिपार्टमेंट. नो वन विल गोइंग टू आस्क यू. Okay, so as far as this lecture is concerned, the two main important tasks are there, which are nothing but the first, my introduction, that everybody should know. I have given all my introduction with my official email ID and phone number, and then vision mission of our institute and department. Okay, now we will not going to move directly to the our syllabus. Before that, we will understand exactly in short what is our subject, that is nothing but the power system, and then we will move towards our syllabus. Okay, can those who have completed diploma from electrical engineering, can anybody knows what is exactly the power system? The person who have completed diploma in the electrical engineering, whether they know that exactly meaning of power system? माहिती आहे का कुणाला? माहित असायलाच पाहिजे समथिंग, जरी माहित नसलं तरी थोडस तरी तुम्ही मराठीतनं सांगितलं तरी चालेल. फॉर टुडे 2 days only. Anybody knows what is the meaning? See, as far as our electrical engineering is concerned, no, as far as our electrical engineering is concerned, what is important, or the word which came into our mind is nothing but the electricity, as far as our electrical engineering is concerned. But what we have to do, as now in today's world, what we have to do, we have to generate the electricity. आपल्याला इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काय करायची आहे, जनरेट करायची आहे. त्याच्यानंतर whatever the generated electricity is there, that generated electricity we have to translate up to the our consumer. Okay, as you know that in our home we are utilizing, or what we can say, different instruments are there, those we working on this electricity. म्हणजे आपल्या घरात तुम्ही different apparatus बघितलेले आहेत जे कशावर वर्क करतायत, इलेक्ट्रिसिटीवर वर्क करतायत. जर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नसेल तर विचार करा, थोड्या वेळ जरी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नसेल आणि टीव्ही चालू नसेल तर तुमची काय अवस्था येते. एव्हरीबडी नोज दॅट. Okay, if you want to attend the lecture and if your charging is not there for mobile, and if electricity is not there, then imagine what type of what we can say, you are suffering from what type of mental illness. Okay, so just the important part is nothing but the electricity. what we have to do? We have to generate the electricity and we have to transmit or we have to distribute that electricity to the consumer. Okay. And आता बघा त्याचा प्रवास कुठून चालू होते, फ्रॉम वेअर दॅट journey of electricity is going to start it from its generation. Then we have to transmit it, and then what we have to do? We have to distribute to the consumer. Consumer म्हणजे कोण? We normal people, we are the consumers of the electricity. आपण इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काय करतोय? कंझ्युम करतोय. ओके. सो द सिस्टीम, अशी सिस्टीम जी की कशामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व आहे? which is involved from the generation, transmission and the distribution of electricity, and whatever that system is there, that system is called as power system. ओके. म्हणजे थोडक्यात पॉवर सिस्टीमची जर डेफिनेशन सांगायची झाली तर तुम्ही काय सांगू शकता? पॉवर सिस्टीम इज द ब्रांच ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग. काय सांगू शकता? पॉवर सिस्टीम इज द ब्रांच ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग विच डील्स विथ, तर कशाचा स्टडी करते किंवा ती कशाबरोबर डील करते? विच डील्स विथ जनरेशन, कॉमा, ट्रान्समिशन and the distribution of electricity, that is nothing but the power system. ओके. म्हणजे काय? पॉवर सिस्टीम ही इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग मधली एक ब्रांच आहे. ती कशासोबत डील करते? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कशी जनरेट होते, कशी ट्रान्समिट होते आणि कंझ्युमर पर्यंत कशी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होते, असं जी कोणती ब्रांच आहे, अशी जी कोणती सिस्टीम आहे, त्या सिस्टीमला तुम्ही काय म्हणताय? यू कॅन कॉल इट इज नथिंग बट दी पॉवर सिस्टीम. ओके. म्हणजे इन टू दी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग सिलेबस वी आर, as far as our whole electrical engineering is concerned, we are having 3 parts. First, that is nothing but the PS1, that is power system 1. In this power system we are going to study how the electrical energy is generated and some of the parts related to the transmission of the electricity. As far as the power system second is concerned, in the power system second we are going to study how the electrical energy is going to transmitted to the from generating point up to the, what we can say, up to the consumer, and how electrical energy is going to distribute it to the consumer. Okay. And as far as power system 3 is concerned, this power system 3 is somewhat, what we can say, analysis related part. We have to analyze whole this power system into different ways. These parts we are going to study it into the power system 3. But as far as your this semester is concerned, that is first semester, that is power system first, you are having, what we can say, or you are going to study the 3 important or 2 important parts, that is nothing but the how we are going to generate the electricity and how we are going to, or which different parameters are involved in the transmission of electricity. This part you are going to study, but before that it's everybody, or it is the responsibility to each and every student that they should know the meaning of power system. That is, it is the branch of electrical engineering which going to deals with generation, transmission and the distribution of electricity. सगळ्यांना power system चं meaning कळले का? Everybody got the meaning of power system?
Yes, sir.
All other students, whether you are got the meaning? Roll number 10, Anisha, whether you have got the meaning? Okay. Yes, sir. All others are answering, but those who I am answering, they are not answering. ज्यांना मी विचारतोय ते सोडून बाकीचे सगळे आन्सर देत आहेत. ओके. बघा, all students are very actively participating in this discussion. That is a very good, what I can say, I can consider it as an asset for my power system 1 subject, that every student is going to participate in this particular discussion. Now see, just I will open this particular syllabus I will just briefly introduce, and then now whether screen is visible, whether
Yes, sir.
syllabus is open now. Okay, now see, as far as our subject is concerned, power system 1, we are having ESE. ESE stands for end semester examination for the 70 marks. Okay, for the 70 marks end semester examination. This examination which is related to your university, this is your university examination that you are going to face after the end of this semester. ही सेमिस्टर एंड झाल्यावर तुम्हाला जी काय एक्झामिनेशन द्यायची आहे तीच एक्झामिनेशन कुठली आहे, विच इज नथिंग बट दी एंड सेमिस्टर एक्झामिनेशन विच इज ऑफ व्हॉट 70 मार्क्स. देन you are having ICA. That ICA stands for internal continuous assessments. थोडक्यात ह्या मार्क्सलाच आपण काय म्हणतो, ह्याला आपण टर्म वर्क म्हणतो. काय म्हणतो? टर्म वर्क. ओके, इन दिस आवर पॉवर सिस्टम 1 सब्जेक्ट, whenever we are going to proceed further, I will tell you we have to draw sheets. ओके, आपल्याला काय करायचं, शीट्स ड्रॉ करायच्या. कशा ड्रॉ करायच्या, काय करायच्या, ज्यावेळेस टाइम येईल त्यावेळेस मी सांगतो, पण त्या बेसिस नुसार. आणि what we are going to do on each chapter, we are going to take or we are going to face 20 marks MCQ test on each chapter. So whatever your performance in that test, whatever your submission as far as sheets are concerned, and your overall attendance, according to that we have to assign you the 25 marks. How many marks you are getting out of that 25 marks? That is nothing but the ICA, internal continuous assessment, that is of what, 25 marks. And then we are having ISE, internal semester examination. Okay, what is that? ISE म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही आता डिप्लोमाला वगैरे होतात त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला काय असायचं, युनिट टेस्ट 1, युनिट टेस्ट 2. तसं whenever now you are entering into the engineering, you are having ISE first, in semester examination first, in semester examination second. You are having 2 in semester examination of 30 marks, and based on whatever marks you are getting in that 2 examination, your average means what, into first ISE you are getting 25 marks, into second ISE you are getting 25 marks, means what is your average, your average is 25, means out of 30 you are getting 25 marks. Okay, so if you are in the first ISE you are getting 28, in second ISE you got 30 out of 30, so what is your average, your average is 29. So based on the your performance, that is nothing but the into the ISE first and ISE second, we are giving 30 marks to you. Means how many marks our subject is there, 70 plus 30 100, and 100 plus 25 125 marks subject is there. Got it everyone? Okay, 70 marks end semester examination, 70 marks कशाचे आहे, end semester examination चे. Then 25 marks which are related to the ICA, you can call it is nothing but the term work, that is internal continuous assessment, and 30 marks which is there related to the in semester examination, that is of what, 30 marks. Okay, so total our subject is of what, 125 marks subject is there. And as far as our subject is concerned, we are not having oral POE or oral examination. Okay, म्हणजे जसं तुम्ही आपण त्याला थोडक्यात काय म्हणतो, एक्सटर्नल एक्झामिनेशन, which is going to assigned by the external faculty from the university. Our subject is not having that examination, but I think in this first semester you are having 3 subjects for which external examination is there or oral POE is there. I think machine is there, then electrical measurement and instrumentation is there, and third is nothing but the C++. Okay, so I think these 3 subjects you are having the external examination. See, but now whenever we are going to study this subject, what you will require, what you should know the basic. Okay, what basic you should know? See, they have given here course prerequisite. कोर्स प्रीरिक्विजिट म्हणजे काय? हा स्टडी सब्जेक्ट, हा सब्जेक्ट तुम्ही स्टडी करताना कोणकोणत्या बेसिक्स गोष्टी तुम्हाला माहित पाहिजे, दॅट इज गिवन हिअर, विच इज नथिंग बट द नॉलेज ऑफ बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनिअरिंग. आपल्याला कशाचं नॉलेज पाहिजे? बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल, म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रिकल मध्ये ज्या बेसिक थिंग्स आहेत दॅट यू शुड नो. देन सिंपल मॅथमॅटिकल कॅल्क्युलेशन. simple म्हणल्या not difficult mathematics like that trigonometry and all these things, we don't require that. Simple mathematical calculation. Okay, and somewhat basic knowledge related to the types of energy and energy sources. म्हणजे कुठल्या कुठल्या प्रकारच्या एनर्जी आहेत and which are their different energy sources. This type of knowledge we will require whenever we are going to study this particular, or these are the somewhat course prerequisite. Okay, आता कोर्स प्रीरिक्विजिट म्हणजे काय? आता लक्षात घ्या, ज्या वेळेस तुम्ही सेकंड इयरला येत आहे म्हणजे त्याचं एक्सपेक्टेशन काय आहे की whenever someone asks you that what is the unit of resistance, you are able to say that it's ohm. Means this is your prerequisite. तुम्हाला तिथं ह्याचं युनिट ओहम असतंय, ह्याचं युनिट एम्पियर असतंय, ह्याचं युनिट व्होल्ट असतंय, हे तुम्हाला कोण सांगणार नाही का? बिकॉज दीज आर युअर प्रीरिक्विजिट. म्हणजे ते तुम्हाला बेसिक गोष्टी त्या तुम्हाला थोड्याशा माहितच पाहिजे. ओके, आणि जरी माहित नसलं then there is nothing to worry about that, we will also study that thing. Okay, but as far as our subject is concerned, that is power system first. End semester exam 70, ICA 25 and ISC 30 marks. And as far as our subject course prerequisite is concerned, you should know some, what we can say, basics of electrical engineering, some mathematical calculations, and some different knowledge related to the energy sources and which are the different types of energy. Got it everyone? Okay, so whatever the syllabus is there, that into the tomorrow's lecture we will we will, what we can say, discuss the syllabus in detail, and after that we will also study which are the course objective, course outcome. Then also we will study what is the importance of syllabus in our subject, then central idea of our subject, and then we will go for the directly chapter number 1, that is nothing but the economic aspects of power generation. Okay, पण लक्षात घ्या, हा जो सब्जेक्ट आहे पॉवर सिस्टीम 1, हा रिअल टाइम इमॅजिनेशनचा सब्जेक्ट आहे. म्हणजे तुम्हाला असं काय म्हणतो त्याला, असं इमॅजिन असं करावं म्हणजे हे असंच आहे, हे असंच आहे, असं इमॅजिन तुम्हाला करावं लागणार नाही. कारण हे तुमच्या ज्यावेळेस आपण, आता सपोज ज्यावेळेस आपण डिफरंट पॉवर प्लांट्स बघू, म्हणजे मी तुम्हाला पुढचं सांगतो, डिफरंट पॉवर प्लांट्स बघू, किंवा जे आपण ट्रान्समिशन लाईन स्टडी करणार आहोत, कुठले कंपोनंट्स आहेत, मग त्यात टॉवर आहेत. आता सगळ्यांनी ट्रान्समिशन लाईनचे टॉवर तर सगळ्यांनी बघितलेले आहे का? असं कोण आहे का त्यांनी ट्रान्समिशन लाईनचे टॉवर बघितलेले नाहीयेत, किंवा अजून त्या ट्रान्समिशन लाईनच त्यांनी बघितलेले नाहीयेत? आय थिंक नो पर्सन इज देअर इन अवर क्लास who have not seen such type of transmission towers and transmission line and all these things. Okay, so this subject is real time imagination subject. That's why this subject is having importance in the syllabus, that you can easily imagine as this is your core subject. Okay, हा तुमचा कोर सब्जेक्ट असल्यामुळे तुम्ही इमॅजिन इझिली करू शकता. And see, this subject carries a very important as far as what we can say competitive exams are concerned. म्हणजे कुठल्याही कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एक्झाम घ्या, आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दी गेट, अदर रिक्रुटमेंट्स लाईक you can consider the railway recruitment or MSCB recruitment or different recruitment of the what we can say government sector. On this subject lot of focus is there because this is your core subject. हा तुमचा कोर सब्जेक्ट आहे, त्याच्यामुळे याच्यावर कंटिन्युअसली त्याचा फोकस असणार आहे. Okay, and another one request to all my dear student is that as you are having any genuine problem, no, you can talk with your sir, your CC, but it's my request to you that don't miss the lecture, because at least 1 or 2 lecture if you miss then it is okay, but don't miss throughout the continuous day lecture. माझं तर एक पण लेक्चर मिस करू नका असं म्हणणं आहे, पण कुणाचा सपोज काय जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लेम आला तर आपण त्याला काही करू शकत नाही, पण शक्यतो लेक्चर मिस करू नका, जेणेकरून काय होईल तुम्हाला परत त्याचा प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही. ओके, सगळ्यांना बेसिक तर आयडिया आली का आपल्या सब्जेक्टची, आपला सब्जेक्ट काय स्टडी करायचा आहे? वेदर एव्हरीबडी गॉट दी बेसिक आयडिया? बेसिक आयडिया. Okay, someone replied. Okay, so for today's lecture we will stop here. Just a minute, I will take your attendance. Don't leave it. Okay,